Hi, I'm Teresa Elling from The Peaceful Home. Welcome to today's segment. We cover all things having to do with home and family here, and decorating on a budget is definitely a part of that. If this is content you enjoy, please hit the subscribe button and the bell, and we'll notify you each time we upload a new video. I am a huge thrifter, yard sailor. I love the thrill of the hunt, and I had such a successful day yesterday. I went thrifting with my daughter. Here we are going into our first store of the day, and I've got my shopping buddy with me. And we not only went to thrift stores, but we also hit Marshall's and Hobby Lobby, and I'll show you a couple things I got from there. We live out in the country, and we're about an hour from two major towns that have bigger stores like Hobby Lobby. I don't have that locally. So it's a treat. If I'm going to thrift there, I'm going to hit some of these other stores as well. So let me show you what I picked up. I'll start with this basket. This one is a beauty. It's in great condition. It was $6.99. And to be honest, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. It's funny because my daughter said, "Mom, I can see that with a beautiful fern on your front porch." And then I found this, but that was before. And I said, yeah, that really would look pretty. I also need vertical things. We collect walking sticks here, and we also use them for a kids craft for some of our events. And so I always have these sticks everywhere, and this would be great for containing those. So not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but the quality is excellent and it was in great shape. And when we walked into the Salvation Army, it was in a woman's arms. She was holding it, walking around the store, and Joanna and I said, ooh, good find, you know, but that's okay. And then as we walked into another room a little bit later, we saw the basket on the floor and another woman picking it up and looking at it. And we went, oh no, she's gonna take it. And she set it back down. So we snatched it up. It was meant to be mine. Here I am coming out of the Salvation Army with this beautiful basket. The rocking horse was one of my daughter's finds, and it's really a treasure. It has this beautiful wicker back support. I've never seen one like it before. Some other baskets that I got are these, and I just love these baskets. The one in my kitchen that I have a plant in, I painted white. There's also different ways of whitewashing them and distressing them because you just treat it like wood. So these are great, and they're very sturdy. And I picked up a couple. This one actually says Happy Harvest, but I will be painting or staining over that. And then this little basket is great. I have several this size. They're great for things in the office, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, great for tea bags. So many things these can be used for. So I'm really excited about that one. And then since I was kind of on the hunt for fall items, I found this glass set, and I think that these will make beautiful arrangements. So that's my plan, either faux or fresh greens in these. We'll see what I do with them. I will be doing once I finish everything, I will post a fall decor video. Wooden spoon, that was $1.25. I love picking these up at thrift stores. And then this fern, oh my goodness. I just feel like the Lord blessed me with this because I actually had some faux ferns in my shopping cart on Amazon. And this one was cheaper than the small bunch that I had in my cart. And the ones in my cart were plastic. I was looking for the most realistic for the least amount of money. But everyone was saying if you can get silk, that's the way to go. And then I found these. They need to be spruced up a bit. I don't know if I'll keep the basket, but if you could look at them up close, they are really beautiful and very real looking. So this is probably my favorite purchase of the day because it's even prettier than the ones I had picked out, and I don't have to spend the extra money on Amazon. I found these at Salvation Army, these little frames, and I love that they're on a chain. So when I saw them just sitting on the shelf, immediately I thought these are gonna be for my photo wall on my staircase when I do that. It's a coming up project. But then when I saw the chain on these, I thought, oh, I don't know if I wanna take them off. I might use them for something else. So I'm not sure, but they will be easy to remove the glass and spray paint and use for whatever I decide. And then this rug I found at one of the thrift stores, little chevron stripe in this nice mustard yellow, which will be great for fall. And I will tell you, one of the reasons I love to get linens at thrift stores is because someone else has already used that item and shows you how it's going to wear. I have bought so many sheet sets, towels that end up pilling or being rough, and you just can't tell when you buy them. But when you buy a rug that's obviously been well loved and has been washed several times and it still looks nice, you know that it's gonna be a great purchase. So I'm really happy with that, $3. Okay, I think my last thrifted item is this cabinet. I could not believe that it was only $15. And it is so cute. I know that I will paint it and distress it, although it really looks cute the way it is. But it needs a little work. It has a shelf for inside. It just needs shelf pins, which are easy to find in any size you might need at a hardware store. So this little guy, I don't know what I'm gonna do with him yet, but for $15, I couldn't pass it up. And honestly, this is how I furnished my home. I'm not so much on the lookout for these things now because my home is almost fully furnished. And so other than a few little tweaks here and there, a few additions, something in, something out, I'm not looking for pieces like this anymore. But back in the day, having 6 children, multiple bedrooms to decorate, living rooms, family rooms, this would have been a perfect thing for a nightstand for a child. They can have their own space to keep baskets of their own things inside. And it would be great in an entryway, just so many options for it. So I couldn't pass this one up. Okay, moving on to kind of the non-thrifted items. These pillows I saw at Marshall's, and I found one and it had a price tag on it of $30. But there was a clearance tag for $20. So I thought, oh, still $20 for a pillow. It does have a zipper. It's a Ralph Lauren. It's a beautiful down pillow. So it's gorgeous. And I didn't really intend on buying any more pillows for the fall season, but I really liked these. And then I saw down the way a second pillow. So I thought, well, $40, that's actually my entire fall decor budget. And I thought, do I really want to spend these? I thought, well, I could just get one, that would work. And I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get both. So I took them up to the counter and the cashier said, oh, you have 2 of those. I said, yes. And she said, I really think they're a set. And I said, I don't think so. And the manager was walking by and she asked, hey, are these a set? And she said, yeah, 20 for both. So I'm like, yes. So $10 each for these pillows. So that's practically thrift store prices. And then my last purchase was at Hobby Lobby. And I got these branches and I kind of sprung for them. I think they are gorgeous. And I have a very specific purpose for these. I went looking for something to go in a vase and it will be part of my fall decor. So here are a few things just from my shopping trip yesterday. Definitely feels like a major haul because I just got so many things that I love and things that I can use and implement right away in my home, or things that I can paint and sell or give away to someone else. So lots of ideas. Thrifting is just the way to go. And you never know when you're gonna find something. My mother-in-law, Jean, I remember one time when we were going yard sailing, and we'll say, hey, do you wanna go sailing? And so we would go out, hit the yard sales, and I remember we went to one and there just wasn't anything there, and none of us bought anything. And as we were getting in the car, she said, "Oh, well, that one was a frog." And I said, "What?" And she goes, "Well, you have to kiss a lot of frogs before you find your prince." And I've always kept that in mind, because a lot of times we go into a thrift store and it's a frog. There's just nothing there. But you're waiting for the day that you find the prince and you find your treasure. And really, finding one of these treasures would have made my day. But I was able to bring all this home to show to you. So I hope if you're a thrifter, you will go out and see what you can find. Thank you for joining me on The Peaceful Home.